Hey there, it's Justin from the Book Like a Boss team, and in this video I'm going to quickly show you what offline payments are, how they work, and how you can use them. You might use an offline payment in any situation where you're not going to accept payment online. For example, maybe you're selling a physical copy of a book and want to collect cash in person. That's where offline payments come in handy. To set that up, go to your booking pages, and since this involves a paid item, go under Products and Services. Click Add New Service, then set the package type to Physical Product. Add your title here, then a short description. Now here, set your price, and then you'll see Payment Options. Just simply select Offline, then click Save. Now let's preview the light URL. You'll see the product listed. When someone clicks Buy Now, they'll enter their name and email. After that, the system confirms the booking and you'll receive that order in your dashboard. From there, you'll know the item was reserved and you can collect the payment in person when you meet. I hope that helps.